Flipkart Big Saving Days and Amazon Electronics Premier League are live. And smart TV deals right now. Some of the craziest price drops I have seen this year. Now I am going to show you the top 10 TV deals with the biggest price drops. If you are planning to upgrade, this is the time. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearbuy. I spend all my time buying and testing home appliances. TVs, soundbars, washing machines, air conditioners and yes, smart TVs to see how they perform in real life, not just on paper. So you can buy confidently without wasting your money. Everything I share here is from real testing and real experience. Alright, quick important things before we start. Flipkart Big Saving Days has 10% off with SBI cards. Amazon Electronics Premier League has 10% off with HDFC cards. All the prices I am sharing are after applying coupons and bank offers. So what I am telling you is the final price you will actually pay. These prices fluctuate during the sale based on demand and stock. So always check both Amazon and Flipkart before buying. Grab the deal wherever it's cheaper. Let's start with 43-inch TVs, then move to 55-inch. Starting with the most affordable option in 43-inch. TCL T60 43-inch QLED. Regular price 26,000 rupees. Offer price 19,390 rupees. That's almost 7,000 off. This is a QLED TV with an HVA panel, which means you get much better contrast than regular IPS panels. Plus Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Google TV and HDR10+. For under 20,000 rupees, this is probably the best value 43-inch TV in this entire sale. Now, if you specifically want Samsung Crystal 4K 43-inch. Regular price 28,000 rupees. Offer price 22,590 rupees. This runs Tizen OS. Very smooth, very reliable. Samsung Knox Security, 7 years of OS upgrades, HDR10+, pure color. It's a straightforward 4K LED, no QLED here. But Samsung software experience is excellent. If you trust the brand and want hassle-free performance, this is solid at 22,590 rupees. But here is where it gets interesting for 43-inch buyers. Samsung Vision AI QLED 43-inch. Regular price 35,000 rupees. Offer price 26,890 rupees. Now, this is Samsung's actual QLED with quantum dot technology. 100% color volume, much better colors than the Crystal 4K. Samsung Vision AI features Quantum HDR Pantone validated. If you can stretch about 4,000 rupees more from the Crystal 4K, the picture quality jump to QLED is genuinely worth it. The only minus, Samsung is giving a basic remote with this, not the solar or smart remote. But for the picture quality at this price, I can live with that. Sony Bravia 2 M2 43-inch. Regular price 38,000 rupees. Offer price 31,140 rupees. Sony's X1 4K processor is still one of the best for picture processing. Motion Flow XR100, live color technology, Google TV, Dolby Atmos. Now, it's more expensive than the TCL and Samsung options. But if you watch a lot of movies and care about natural, accurate colors, Sony's processing is hard to beat at this price. Alright, moving to the 55-inch category. And honestly, this is where the deals get really good. Xiaomi FX Pro 55-inch QLED. Regular price 35,000 rupees. Offer price 27,149 rupees. Under 28,000 rupees for a 55-inch QLED TV from Xiaomi. Fire TV built-in, Alexa voice remote, 34-watt Dolby audio, 32 GB storage. And the picture quality and colors on this are actually excellent for the price. It's a proper QLED panel. The only minus, slightly less brightness compared to competition at this size. And no Dolby Vision support. But honestly, for under 28,000 rupees, that's a very small trade-off for what you are getting. Now, stepping up to where the real value starts. Samsung Crystal 4K 55-inch. Regular price 40,000 rupees. Offer price 33,640 rupees. Same Samsung Crystal 4K experience but in 55-inch. Tizen OS, 7 years OS upgrades, HDR10+, Samsung Knox. If you want Samsung reliability in 55-inch without spending on QLED, this is your pick at 33,640 rupees. Next, TCL C6KS 55-inch QD Mini LED. Regular price 43,000 rupees. Offer price 35,240 rupees. Okay, stop here for a second. This is a QD Mini LED TV at 35,240 rupees. 312 plus local dimming zones, Onkyo 2.1 channel audio with a built-in subwoofer, Dolby Vision, IMAX enhanced. And by the way, this is the same TV as the TCL Q6ES, just different naming. We have already reviewed this in our channel. For context, QD Mini LED is the same technology you find in TVs costing 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. At 35,000 rupees, this is genuinely insane value and probably the best deal in this entire list. Next, Samsung Vision AI QLED 55 inch. Regular price 48,000 rupees. Offer price 38,740 rupees. Samsung's QLED with 100% color volume, Quantum HDR, Pantone validated Vision AI features. If you want Samsung QLED quality with their latest smart features and are willing to spend around 39,000 rupees, this is excellent. Same as the 43 inch though, Samsung is giving just the basic remote here, not the solar or smart remote. A bit disappointing at this price, but the picture quality makes up for it. But if you want even more from the mini LED technology, TCL Q6E 55 inch QD mini LED. Regular price 50,000 rupees. Offer price 41,490 rupees. This is TCL's premium QD mini LED with 512 plus dimming zones, 144 Hz native refresh rate, Onkyo 2.1 audio, AI PQ Pro processor, FreeSync Premium Pro for gaming. The difference from the C6KS? More dimming zones, faster refresh rate and better gaming features. If you game on console or want the absolute best picture quality under 45,000 rupees, this is it. And finally, the premium pick, Sony Bravia 2 M2 55 inch. Regular price 60,000 rupees. Offer price 48,500 rupees. That's over 11,000 off. Sony's X1 processor, Motion Flow XR100, 4K X Reality Pro, Dolby Atmos, Google TV, 4 HDMI ports including eARC, Sony's 55 inch at under 49,000 rupees. If you want the Sony experience with premium picture processing and don't mind spending a bit more, this is the one. So those are the top 10 smart TV deals with the biggest price drops live right now, from 19,000 to 49,000 rupees. There is something for every budget and every room size. And by the way, we have reviewed almost every TV in this list on our channel. And we have also done a lot of comparison videos. So if you are confused about which TV to pick, check out our TVs playlist. It will give you complete clarity. I'll tag and leave the best TV links in the description below. Please check them out. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there is a TV you want me to review next. Don't just buy, clear buy. See you soon.